Doesn't drain very well. We need it to drain like this. Look at this shit. How to cut it. Whatever, I'm gonna take it apart anyway. This freaking thing. It's a floor drain right there. Kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, this is going in there and absolutely no problem. Snaked it from the back. There's something in here, dude. There's absolutely something in there. Okay, got it that way. See the snake? All right, well, not in there, and I got that to go through, so you tell me what the issue is. I don't know. It's probably just pee buildup. Just cleaning this off a little bit. When I took that apart, this came off, so I bet it's going to leak. There you go. So it's still not flushing very well. But you saw the snake, it was through. But it ain't leaking anymore. So